The dog jumped for the basketball, broke the chain. The dog ain't even noticed, right? So we start. Bo scared of his own dog.
Mom scared of his own dog, yo.
So this nigga started tripping out like, chill out. So we walk around the corner, and it's like a straight on the side of his house. The trailer going to the road. Well, I'm in the middle, Nuni on one end, Bo on the other end, right? The dog start coming. The dog pass up, we break out running. The dog pass up both of them niggas to jump on me.
Get on him.
Look,
Son, I ran out, jumped the
Look,
bitch.
the dog got burned too like the next week.
I